Hi, Sketchlab friends! Are you ready for the sweetest tropical adventure ever? Well, today we're drawing a kawaii-style summer puppy cupcake, complete with a palm tree topper and a whole lot of beachy charm. Let's get started. We're going to draw these two dots. That determines the width of the cupcake, and then we're going to draw a foreshortened circle. Alright, let's zoom in. So we're going to draw the lines down for the side of the cupcake. And we're going to match that line that curves down. Alright, we're going to go ahead and erase off this construction line. So sometimes when we draw, we build with shapes and forms, and some of these construction lines will be erased. So we're going to start off with the basic shape first. It's going to be like a guideline for us. What that did is it established the proportions, the size of the head of this little puppy cupcake. Now that we have that shape in, we're going to go ahead and let's give this guy some fun sunglasses. We're going to do some fun sunglasses and a cherry on top today. Hopefully we're going to make those fluffy ears come to life. And this really cool tropical palm tree today. So this is the shape for the sunglasses. Okay, look at this. I'm going to curve a line up. And now I'm just going to draw around that shape. When I get right here, I'm going to make a little bit of a rectangle out to the side. And then just keep following that shape around. And now I'm going to curve a line up. See how I'm matching those curves? And now we'll do the same thing. We're just going to draw around the shape of the sunglass. Well, this puppy definitely looks like he's ready for a beach party today. All right, let's start off with the snout now. So we got this little nose. And we'll draw these two little lines that curve down for the mouth. And now here goes the floppy ears. Adorable. Once again, guys, I think it's almost too cute to eat. Gotta make it drippy. And this also adds overlapping, which creates space. It makes it appear to be more three-dimensional. And I'm going to erase off these construction lines. Here's the lines on the liner. All right, it's time to start frosting this puppy. Yeah, this dog has more personality than half of my vacation photos, totally. So you see how we drew lines that curve to the left, lines that curve to the right, creating that frosting. This puppy is frosted, fabulous, and obviously he's clearly living his best beach life today. Gotta have a little dollop of whipped cream and a cherry on top. And yeah, that is a palm tree growing out of his head. You know, just totally normal summer behavior. So our little puppy today likes to chase waves. Waves and probably sprinkles. Because he's a cupcake puppy. Alright guys, let's go ahead and start this palm tree. And you'll notice the shape of the leaf is kind of like a taco shape. So it's basically a line that curves up the top. So it's a little bit like a half oval. So I think this dog's bark is soft and sweet, with just a hint of vanilla today. Alright guys, we're on to step 2, outlining. I'm just using a Sharpie marker to outline today. And if you don't have Poscas, just use whatever you have. So the name of the game is value. So I'm using a lighter green, a yellow green. And then I'm going in with a medium value. And you see these two values with the brown as well. Same concept. So this is a light yellow. Put down that base color. This is a regular light brown. I'm going in with a coral pink for light value. Doing a little bit of color mixing on some robin green to get that whipped cream color. Now look at that, the darker red and highlights, a little bit of gray on the glasses to create a reflection. Also use pink and fuchsia to add some shading onto the liner. A little bit of the cacao brown to darken up the ears. And this is sunshine yellow. And I also have ochre, which is a darker yellow, to create some of the values for the puppy's face. So that's the cake layer, and on top we have the little frosting layer. And I've got some beige, and I went in with a little bit of yellow ochre to mix that in there too. And for the liner, just the light pink. Just a few touch-ups here. Well, if you enjoyed drawing with me today, guys, check out my 3D drawing playlist. And especially these summer videos. I just love the summer vibes, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. Well, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.